The average beauty consumer is exposed to 937 beauty brand messages every day. Here was the challenge for Revlon Canada. Break through the sea of sameness to engage an overwhelmed consumer in Revlon's new Love is On positioning. We started with a key insight. Revlon's target market in Canada tends to be married or in a relationship. Love is present in her life, and she knows how to turn it on if we provoke her in the right space. We started with a foundation of proven video channels of TV and digital pre-roll, and added contextually relevant movies at cinema to build awareness when she was out of home and likely to be provoked. In addition to pre-show spots, we created a customized Revlon time play game, engaging audiences in trivia about classic romance movies to inspire her imagination to turn love on. Winners of time play usually download rewards on their smartphones. We chose instead to give consumers the tools to turn love on in real time through Revlon-branded vending machines in 28 cinema lobbies. This was a media first. Time Play winners were invited to visit the Revlon vending machine after the movie to collect their Revlon lipstick and coupons. When the vending machine was dormant, it featured the Revlon TV creative and invited passers-by to touch the screen to receive a Revlon coupon. The results exceeded expectations. Revlon achieved sizable impressions from the cinema campaign and deep engagement with the innovative cinema lobby activation. We effectively broke through the sea of sameness by extending into new media channels, provoking the consumer's imagination to turn love on, and prompting her to do so with Revlon product. We turned love on for Revlon in Canada.